The Lord our shepherd, the Lord is my shepherd. I have everything I need. He lets me rest in fields of green grass and leads me to quiet pools of fresh water. He gives me new strength. He guides me in the right paths as He has promised. Even if I go through the deepest darkness, I will not be afraid, Lord, for You are with me. Your shepherd's rod and staff protect me. You prepare a banquet for me where all my enemies can see me. You welcome me as an honored guest and fill my cup to the brim. I know that Your goodness and love will be with me all my life as long as I live.
Yeah? Ay, hindi pa.
Hirap pa isa.
True happiness. Happy are those who break the advice of evil people, who do not follow the example of sinners, or join those who have no use for God. Instead, they find and obeying the law of the Lord, then study it day and night. They are like trees that grow beside the stream, that bear fruit at the right time, and whose leaves do not dry up. They succeed in everything what they do.
Verse 4.
But evil are on the way, are not like this at all. They are like straw that the wind blows away. Sinners will be condemned by God and kept apart from God's own people. The righteous are guided and protected by the Lord, but the evil are on the way to their doom. God chosen king. Why do the nations plunder the Lord? Why do the people make their useless plots? Their kings revolt, their rulers plot together against the Lord. He chose. Let us free ourselves from their rule. Then say, let us throw out their control. From His throne in heaven, the Lord's love invokes their feeble plan. Then we hunger. Then He warns them in hunger and terrifies them with His fury. On Zion, my sacred hill says, I have installed my king. I will announce, says the king, that the Lord has declared.
Proverbs.
Nahaba.
Proverbs, ano ba?
Sang.
Someone.
Someone. Chapter 2 po yata yun.
Someone.
Said to me, you are my son. Today I have become your father. I will break them an iron rod. You will shatter them in
Akala ko Proverbs
is
1.
like a clay pot. Now listen to this warning, you kings. Learn this lesson, you rulers of the world. Serve the Lord with fear tremble, and bow down to Him, or else His anger will be quickly, and you will suddenly die. Happy are all who go to Him for protection.
Amen.
Naanak ko yun. Good job, my...
Si Jesus na anak ng Diyos, sa kaligtasan ng buhay. Siya si Jesus na anak ng Diyos, sa natotohanan ng buhay. Siya na natotohanan ng buhay. Siya si Jesus na anak ng Diyos.
Sunday.